So this is what I'm going to talk about, the history of online dating applications. The online dating process. This I'm going to talk about on the application side, like the system side, and then some matching algorithms. Just simple ones, yung mga madidili lang. So, hindi yata ito mababasa, but it actually started in 1959. Stanford students, meron silang machine, tapos punch cards pa yung profile, and then they match men and women. So it was never commercialized, but that was the first attempt for a matchmaking service. Oh, by the way, this history is also from the US. It's in the US context kasi sila nga yung mas how do I say, culturally accepted sa kanila yung online dating. And then 1965, again, more students now from Harvard used a questionnaire on an IBM 1401 to match students based on their similarities. The social experiment was dubbed Operation Match. And millions of users filled up the questionnaire. So ever since talaga the beginning of time, interested na ang tao to finding their matches. And in 1995, nagkaroon na ng internet. So, naging sumisikat na ang internet. So, online dating na ay nasa search. And then, in 1998 was the year Tom Hanks and Meg Ryan starred in You've Got Mail. I don't know kung familiar kayo dun sa movie, but it's one of my favorite movies. Ang cute kaya. It's really cute, the You've Got Mail. So, there, dahil may instant messaging na, mas nakakapag-communicate na yung mga tao, mas nagiging popular na yung online dating. And then in 2000, eHarmony was launched. Like, eHarmony is like OkCupid na online dating site. And again here, the profile, you have to answer a very long profile. And now, ano nang nangyari? 2003, may video chat service na, so easier. So yung Skype, yung mga nag-meet online, they can chat on Skype. And then 2004, Facebook. So with social media and the developments in the internet, mas nagra-rise din yung popularity ng online dating. And then nung nagka-smartphone pa, everywhere, on the go, you can meet with anyone from all over the world and chat anytime. 2009. What? Oh, so ito ngayon naman this is for na-launch for gay dating websites. Before it started for heterosexual matches, but then mas naging popular starting 2009 itong compatible partners. And in 2012, the Tinder swiping left and swiping right revolution started. And until now, it's still ongoing. And only one in this room admitted to having tried online dating. That's interesting. So, what is the process of online dating on the application side, on the system? Kung halimbawa ikaw may app, let's not talk about Tinder, just a regular matching website. Kasi yung mga algorithms or kung paano sila nagmamatch ng mga tao ay proprietary. It's top secret. Hindi nila yun syempre sasabihin. But generally, we have an idea how this all goes. So first, you get the user profiles, such as name, age, occupation, likes, dislikes, and a very long series of questions. Madami pa yan. Ano pa mga tinatanong? Like your preferences on situations, like how much do you want to earn? How much do you want your partner to be earning? Mga ganong klaseng questions. And then, when you get these profiles are converted into feature scores, or maraming ibang tawag dito, like this could be called your desirability score, match score, ELO score, basta meron silang, nilalagyan nila ng number yung profile mo. So, yung mga features, yung mga variables dun sa profile mo ay nako-convert into numbers so that they can match you with others. And then a match will be generated for you. Pwedeng one match or a set of matches. And then you could papakita sa'yo yung match mo, and then you could feedback on that, interact with that by swiping left or swiping right. Then mag-generate ulit ng new match for you, which is improved based on your interaction. So, ganun yung general process niya on the computer side. But after showing the match, it's always the person or the people who were matched who have to do the talking, the meeting, and wala nang magagawa dun yung algorithms. Kasi the algorithms parang nagsistart lang siya ng something. Like, it's a cold start. Wala ka kasing choices. But these online dating apps and algorithms give you choices so that you can start something. But in the end, the people have to do the hard work into getting to know someone, meeting someone, and doing whatever. But ang i-discuss ko ay yung matching algorithms, which is more interesting for me. And it's easier, actually. So, pwedeng dalawa yung, there are two types of matches. The exact match, which is 1:1, and the matching set, wherein you're given a set of people na pwede mong pagpilian. In computer science terms, it's like a graph matching. So, every user profile is a vertex or a node in the graph, and may mga weights, yung mga edges. Kapag halimbawa na-achieve mo yung weight na to, mako-connect ka dito sa isang person. Or there are many ways para makalculate yung mga connections na yan. Like yung feature scores, pwedeng yung feature scores ay way para magkaroon ka ng edges. And if you're connected to some vertex, then that is a match. Pwede rin naman na clustering. So, yung clustering, sorry, I'll just draw it. Kasi mahirap gumawa ng PowerPoint with this graph. So, if these are the user profiles, these are users, and you have like, one user, for example, is this, and you're looking for a match for user X, and it has a score. For example, your desirability score is 4.5. And then this is the centroid of the cluster. And then yung mga similar sa kanya na ratings ay mapagsasama-sama, and these are the match. Pwede rin namang ibang features yung tingnan, at ito yung mga features na sama-sama. So yan yung mga matches mo, and it's a set. So these are the clusters. Maraming clustering algorithms na ginagamit ngayon. I'm just not gonna go into detail with that, pero you can check it out if you're interested. And for the exact match, there are two matches that I will describe. First is the random matching. The random matching is the easiest. Kasi, of course, you assign numbers to the user profiles, and if you are X, and then gusto mo lang ng random match, just generate a random number, and that's your match. So, I don't think you would want to use an online dating application na random matching lang yung ginagamit because it's so random, but you will never know. Kasi the others na nakausap ko about random matching, meron pa rin, random matches have the, the illusion, still have the illusion of serendipity. Unlike yung mga calculated talaga, wala na siyang illusion kasi mathematically calculated. Pero pag random matching, parang, oh wow, it's destiny. So, interesting pa rin yung random matching na algorithm for dating, I think. And then the next algorithm is the Gale-Shapley algorithm. It finds a stable matching between equally sized group of men and women. Ito naman, hindi to masyadong ginagamit sa dating apps kasi ang premise dito equal yung number ng men and ng women, or yes, so sorry, sexually biased to kasi binary lang yung gender na ginagamit for this algorithm. So it's X or Y, A or B. And dapat nga equal, pero it finds a stable match. Napapagma-match na talaga yung two groups. So let's try to do this. I-demonstrate ko na lang kung paano ito ginagawa. Yes, it's the best fit na yung gusto rin sa'yo, hindi ka ayaw. Parang ganon. It's for the stable marriage problem. Para daw stable yung marriage. Men rank women in the order of preference. Women rank men in the order of preference. So ang premise dito, alam mo kung sino yung mga nandyan, yung mga ira-rank mo. And then each man proposes to a woman on the top of his list of preferences. Then women reject proposals. Women reject all but their top suitor. And then every man who is still not matched proposes to the next woman on his list who has not rejected him. And the woman accepts his proposal if he is unmatched or if she prefers him over his current match. So let's try. I have 4 guys: Miguel, Taku, Diego, and Jose. And girls, me, Maria, Kat, and Anna. Okay. So, si Miguel, ang kanyang rank, mga choices ay si Kat. Ito yung order, Maria, Ria, Anna. Wait, bibilisan ko lang. Ayan, isusulat ko lang yung rank. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Maria. And these are my choices. Sorry. First ka naman ni Maria. Ako. And second ka palagi.
Good names.
Hindi. Random names. Except yung sa atin. Jose. Ito, last choice ka nito. Okay. So, first, yung guys magpo-propose dun sa girls. So, Miguel proposes to Kat. O di match na sila ni Kat. And then, Taku to Maria. Okay na to, may match na siya. Taku kay Maria. Okay. And Diego kay Kat. So, but Kat is already taken. So, wala pang match si Diego. Jose to Ria. And so, where's Jose? I have a match. So, ang walang match ngayon ay si Diego. Si Diego then will propose to me. I will say yes because mas gusto ko siya kaysa kay Jose. Yes. So now Diego has a match. Di ba? Oh yeah. Yeah. So now, wait, okay. So ang wala ng match ay si Jose. Jose will, nag-propose na ba si Jose kay Maria? No, hindi pa. So Jose will propose to Maria. Mas gusto ni Maria si Jose over Taku. So goodbye, Taku. And now Taku has no match. And Taku will then propose to Anna. And since Anna has still no match, i-accept niya si Taku. And yun yung ano. Happy ever after. Everyone has a match. So this is the Gale-Shapley algorithm. And in the end, lahat nagkaroon ng match. Wait, let's see ha. So ito, Miguel kay Kat, si Taku kay Ana, and Jego, and si Jose, yun napapunta si Jose, kay Maria. So, yeah. Sorry. Mali pala. Where's Jose? Nasaan si Jose? Here. Okay. So, kung makikita nyo, the drawback of this algorithm is that it favors the one who proposes first. Kasi, tingnan nyo sila first and second choices yung nakuha. Pero itong mga to, kawawa naman si Kat, yung last choice pa yung nakuha niya. But should be fine. At least itong tatlo, the second choices. Okay na yung second choice. Yeah, so, pwede na rin yung second choice, pero last choice. So yun, this is one like very interesting algorithm. No, it started as a stable marriage problem, pero ngayon ginagamit siya sa iba't ibang matches. Like, pag nag-a-apply ka ng residency sa US, or I'm not sure kung sa advisors magagamit natin kasi we need the exact number of matches, pero we can probably explore that using this algorithm. And so that's for the exact match. Now we have like set matches. We have the content-based recommendation and collaborative filtering. Yung content-based recommendation, ang nire-recommend sa'yo, ang mga minamatch sa'yo ay yung mga similar dun sa na-like mo na dati. Basically, ganun siya. So it's based on comparing associated structured features such as keyword vectors, yung mga preferences mo. And a user model is aggregated from features of items a user has expressed interest in, and utility of new items is estimated by calculating similarity to said user model. So that's the content-based recommendation. Tandaan nyo lang na kung ano yung mga na-like mo dati, parang tinitingnan lang niya yung mga may similar features na na-like mo, tapos yun yung i-recommend. Doon naman sa collaborative filtering, it's also used for recommendations. Ang binibigay sa yung recommendations ay yung recommendation, yung mga similar yung profile sa'yo, kung ano yung na-recommend sa kanila, yun rin yung ibibigay sa'yo. So in collaborative filtering, kailangan ng algorithm ng information about your neighbors. So ayan it relies on others' opinions when making an everyday decision. And it recommends to an active user items that users with similar taste, neighbors have liked. So ito yung mga nangyayari. Kaya very important yung user profile para makita kung ano yung similar sa'yo na user profiles and babigyan ka ng match. Ginagamit itong collaborative filtering and content-based recommendation not only in online dating but also when you're online shopping in Amazon or Lazada, yung mga online shopping sites, kung ano yung mga na-like mo or nabili mo na, or even sa ads na pinapakita sa'yo, kung ano yung mga na-click mo dati, bibigyan ka rin ng bibigyan ng mga ganon. Or kung yung mga may taong similar yung profile sa'yo, like, yung kapatid ko, ito yung mga nilalike niya, tapos yung Facebook, pinapakita na rin sa akin minsan kung ano yung nilalike niya. I don't know what exact algorithms these systems use, but in general, these are the recommender algorithms that they base their exact algorithms on.
Parang sa Instagram, ganun, no? They recommend users that you think you might like to follow.
Yeah. So these are general algorithms, yung mga details ay marami pang ways to do these things. So as I said, and a very important feature ng mga online dating sites, ng mga bagong online dating site, is learning from your interaction with the matches given to you. Kasi they need your input to give you future better matches. And then, you do your part when you're matched with someone. Bahala na tayo or bahala na kayo. Now, what are the other issues? There are also gender issues before, but this is because usually you match two groups, A and B, and it was at first divided into like male and female. But of course, that's not applicable all the time. So binago na rin yun na person seeking man or person seeking woman. But nowadays, it's also not applicable because you can search for both. But it's nothing that computer scientists can take care of. So the algorithms are now, they can adapt to these things na. And then the other algorithms ng mga proprietary dating sites, they're very interesting but also controversial. Kasi yung iba, like yung Tinder, you don't fill up a profile. They get your profile from Facebook. So, it's quite parang yung security no na data mo na nakukuha from Facebook, anong ginagawa doon ng Tinder at Facebook and bakit napapapunta sa kanila yung data mo. So, quite controversial and as ito ay yung security, what is the gaano ka-secure ang dating, online dating and the use of dating applications. In Japan, long time ago, ngayon may stigma pa rin ng online dating sa Japan. But before kasi, they have these companies na set up for online dating na ano talaga, parang mga bots lang yung dinidate mo. They're called Sakura. And then, magsasign up ka sa online dating site, tapos nasa office yung mga kadate mo at ime-message ka ng ime-message. And when the time came na nahuli yon at na-scam nga yung mga tao, kasi it's a paid service that you have an online friend or whatever. Tapos nahuli na hindi pala sila totoong mga tao at made-up characters in a room. So, nagkaroon ng stigma of online dating in Japan. And actually, Japanese online dating sites are more secure and interesting pa. Kasi they add the feature of this journal feature na magsusulat ka ng parang diary mo and makikita yon dun sa profile mo. So nakikita ng ibang tao yung yung daily activities mo and mas nakikilala ka pa. I haven't tried those, nabasa ko lang. Pero interesting pala. Ayun. So, it's really something na technology has done. Parang nakatulungan lang ng technology na gawin to, pero we saw that in the past, the search for love is an algorithmic problem and can be solved by, it's a search problem and marami namang solutions. So, good luck sa mga nagso-search. Thank you for listening to our talk.